This one is also like normal vacuum chamber, right? So on same method is like when you want to take the sample out, you have to vent it, and this vent and the vacuum button, and put sample inside, you vacuum it. So anytime it is blinking, so it means this is in progress. And so if you want to put like any button or change anything, you have to wait for the light is stop blinking. So you can see now it's stop blinking, and this light is standby on the vacuum button. So it's been like this one now in vacuum state. So you can use this one with this instruction to input the sample inside to the e-beam chamber. So first, the instruction just push the rod down, but if you just leave it up a little bit, down, but just lift up, lift up, put down, and then make it like push this one, push it down. See, and then it can go inside. And then push it in. No button here, just use force. Eventually push it. You can see in this small screen. And then you can see the sample is going inside. It open the holder, slide it, and then just take it out. And then take out, put it out to make this one go up, and then lift it up. So now your sample is inside. You can see this is the beam, where's the electron beam will coming through. So now this screen, this is to confirm the holder, which so just leave it in this one, SN 32 millimeter. Now you can see the information in here. So this screen shows the information of the SCM machine. So see now you are using like 20 kilovolts, and the emission current this is auto generation. If you want to change, you can put in here and change how much voltage you want to use with this one. So this is other function. You can see it is just like some scan rate, quick rate, or like verify it. You can like hover the mouse to here, and it will show some detail like quick scan speed, slow scan speed, and this one is freeze image. This is like auto contrast brightness something. This is take the picture. This one is for the Z. This is for this. So other thing, but more things is focus to this one, this square, focus to here. So this show the diagram of the state in here. The white here is the specimen holder. First, before it was in here, like this is, imagine this is the exchange chamber, and then you was push it in here. So now it's here, like this one, right? So you can see here, this is the gun, the e-beam gun. Now the beam is like blocked by this because this one is already off. So you can see this is block the gun. Also, this is same with this one is same function with this one. It show like vacuum or vent state. So now it is vacuum. And also you can have to see this vacuum state. So normally for this one best state to working, you have to wait it go below 5 to E minus 4 Pascal. So just wait a little bit to this vacuum go below 5. Okay. Now we have to preparation for the lithography. This for lithography. So choose this program. And then go to our lab account. So in this program, you can see This is the properties of the beam. So you can see like the right field, so it will be automatically set. This is the exposure detail, like how much size and step it will go, like step and size, time and something. And so this is the you control like the right field. This is also change the right field here, like X7 or 700 or 650, 100. So right field in here. So if you want to change, like change to 650, just choose this one 650 and set. So it's changed to 100 and right field to 100, 120. So this right field in here is changed. But if you are using your sample, you know, like use 7 or 6, so change. So you use 7. This one, you should take this one very carefully, this number, because it will change everything if you change this number. So better way you remember this number. If you want to do more thing inside, you can change this by the calculator. So this is set the function of beam current, area, time, thing. Also this have the equation in here. So if you change one thing in here, you should be calculate this one. The button is to automatically calculate the other if you change one thing. So we not change anything because it's already set. Now you put to this window, this small window, and then structure and DXM to load your file. So before insert your USB. Structure. First you can see if you press this one, it will not show the structure in here, right? So you have to choose this window first, and then it will show the structure. So first choose this window, structure, and load the exam, and then find your file. What is your
Mark 1?
Okay. And now you edit. So here's the sample. So first make it manual mark. Okay, slowly. So this is the sample you have designed, right? So this 4 is the manual mark. It's just for you to align the exact position. So now you can see all is the same color. You can see this rectangle is all is blue color. So it means same color means it's all in same layer. So you have to choose this different layer to this computer to recognize like which layer it will work on it first. So this mark is the manual mark. Just make it so. Just first is double click to this. So it shows this, and then change this layer to manual. Same with this one. Double click, manual mark. Okay. Double click. So now you see this 4 is goes red color. It means like it's a different layer. And then you modify this. Please modify, and there's anything to do with here. Scale or something you can do, but normally we only do the order to see like number, which one it will be scanned first. So we choose this one first. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. After all this is done, it will be disappear, and then you just close it, and it will ask you want to save or not. So yes, save the change. Okay. So now to here, you can see this is now below 5. So you can work with this now. First, you press this one, on button. So you can see this one will be disappear, the green screen will disappear, but this one will be green in here. This one is green, which means on. You can see now it is the beam is go through the sample, but you still not see any change in here because the freeze is on. And also you can see this here. In this here, this tool is control the beam also. So now you can see this X. So it means like it like block the beam, and it is in the right field mode. So it does it. So we have to click this one to go back to same mode, and then open the beam. So you can see here, you still not see anything, but you can now you can press this button, or you can choose in here. So press this button. So you can see this screen is changed. Now for us, we normally need change this Z axis to 7. We move this axis to adjust the focus. Okay. And now you will control the stage by, you can control in here also. So you can see left, right, and up and down, or rotation. But this is like too difficult to choose, so you can control with this one. So you can, this one you can move this one. This is a ball, like a mouse ball. Reverse mouse, you can see this, the reverse mouse. And you can move this one to move this one. So you move to find your sample. So your sample is number 1, right? See, this is the first wafer. First you have to focus. So to like the the easiest way to focus, you have to zoom inside, and so this one is the magnification. So you can control this one to zoom, to change the magnification. Okay, so zoom inside like this, or zoom out like this, and then this one is the focus. You can choose this one to adjust the focus to see like the same like the optical microscope. You can change this one. So but now it's first it will be very hard for you to see clearly in here the same image. So the easiest way, what I see is just put it here. So you will zoom it to this magnification. So just choose anything, but not necessary. Just zoom to 10,000. Right? Zoom to 10,000. The magnification. And then change the focus. If I change the focus, you see the number in here change. Alright, but actually when you back to outside like this, so you change the focus, you can see this WD is changed, right? 6.1, 6.2, 6.0. Change the focus, right? So we will change it to 5.9 and 5.8. See, 9898, right? So just keep it here. This is the tip, just for easy. So keep it between 5.9 and 5.8, and then zoom inside to 10,000, and then adjust this to the position when you this change between 5.9 and 5.8, and then keep it at 5.8. Okay, it's a tip, so you don't have to see the structure in here, because it's very hard for first time you see. So you can see now it is more clearly to see the pattern. Okay. So now you have to find your sample. So your sample is first one in the middle. So find middle. So this is the corner. always go from the corner. It's easier to recognize. So this is another edge. So in the middle, right? In the center. First one, second one. Okay, and the second of the second one, right? So this one. And then you turn on the ruler. So you can see this, make this two align for you. So you can align this for zoom inside, make it like align. Wait. So this is 7, right? But this one is a ZFC. So you click this to like not use this one. So now you will use this one. You move by this bone inside, but you will, this one will be for the rotation. So this one you need to align, right? So you roll this one, see, and then this one will be changed. Roll this one. Okay. Sometimes you can do the, so zoom inside. So because you choose this magnification for the EVB 700, so also you zoom to X700. So you zoom to X700, so you can see the pattern here. And then again, make this your sequence balance. So you can see this one is here, this one not here. So rotate this, so make it valid. If you see it's hard to see, maybe press the ACB one time. Let's press the ACB. ACB, you can press this one. Okay. So here you can see it's still not just good. This one. So change this a little bit. This depends on you, so you can align this one like this, just to make sure it is in the good rotation. Okay. So maybe I will change the focus a little bit. Just adjust it to make it easy to see, but in the between the 5.8 is okay. Okay, now when it's in the position, you can see this one and this one is aligned. Almost a little bit more. Okay. And then freeze it.
And if it is 650, then only 2 will be shown. These 2 will not be shown.
What 650?
Like what is this? 700 and 650.
No. It will show. It's just different on when you make the manual. So you freeze it. So now you have to make your square. You can see this is a square, right? And this square have to be aligned with which square in here, whatever you use. Your square is 700 or 650?
650.
Your square is 650, right? Okay. So if your square is 650, so bring back this one to 650. Okay. 650 means it is closer, further.
So this is, we have to bring it 650. From which position?
So it is what I told you. What is this?
That resolution from here.
Yeah, it's magnification. So let's use this one. So 650. If it's 650, so you have to change this one to 650. Set. So let's change this one. So edit again to see any change. Order is okay. So now you have to choose. Now we will choose this one. The expose layer. So which layer you will work on? So first choose this manual mark. So expose layer is manual mark, and then exposure. Start exposure. So now is the hard thing. You have to imagine where is your align mark and which one in here, and then you control this one to move this. This is the manual mark. So you have to move it to the right position. So you can imagine this you can see this one electrode here, right? So it might be to here, back to here. We use this one. So it might be this one, right? So your manual mark is like upper. So you hold the control, hold control. If you see this, you cannot see what is happening. So you can listen. Hold control and the mouse make it to the middle, this one, the center, and then hold control and then drag the mouse. Hold the control and right and left mouse, and then you can drag this one to the new position. So you expect your mark will be upper. So just bring it up. Okay, and then continue. It not change, but it will change next time you scan. So the next mark, you can see this very hard to see that you can see it's nothing. Maybe it in middle of nowhere, like it maybe it's now in here. You can imagine one square in here. Just imagine. So now maybe it is scanning here because the line mark should be here. It should show here. It should show here. But that's last time you can see this one. So maybe now it is here. So you should move it to the right up corner. So again, hold control and left mouse, drag this. Same this one. The third one is here. Is this one. So now maybe it is here. You can see a little the top corner of this electrode. So you can imagine like this 4 line mark is here. But first, when this one recognize the 4 line mark of this one might be like this 4 line mark. So now you have to move this to here. So it can maybe it will make the control. So it's here. So it means you should hold control, left mouse, and then drag this to this side. So to the fourth one, you can see now it's maybe almost in the direction of this one. So this is the center. You have to hold control, left mouse, drag this to here. Okay, so when finished 4, because the manual mark only have 4 loop, so it will do 4 times and it's finished. So you want to do again, you have to exposure again. Yes. Let's scan. Now you can see you just move from here to here, right? Actually it's here, so you can see a little here. So again, move it up a little bit more to here. This one also. Now you can see this is the square, the job mark. So hold control, hover the mouse to the center, hold control and then left mouse and then drag. Again, control, left mouse, drag. So, all 4 will be aligned with each other. So, okay, until it have to be, you have to make it until it go directly at the right. So it's here. Almost you can see your align mark. So again, make it in the middle.